Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a very easy fish recipe with a mushroom sauce. First what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate my fish with olive oil. I'm using a Basa fillet. Then I'm going to add some salt to this, some cracked pepper, basic flavors, and now I'm just going to squeeze some lime juice on this to give us a nice tang and put this aside. So olive oil in the pan. Now garlic, toss that around, reduce the heat a little bit. As the garlic roasts a little bit, add the mushrooms. This I'm going to add in a little bit of stock, not too much. So it will give it a nice juicy flavor. And now what I'm going to do is, in this I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice for the citrusy flavor. Then we add the vinegar. I'm going to add in some brown sugar as well. So it will be nice, caramelized, a little sweet, a little sour. Now it's quickly time to grill the fish. A little bit of olive oil, spread it around in the pan, and you add your fish in it for all the juices on top. Let this bugger cook. Again, this will take only about 6 to 7 minutes to cook to perfection. So I'm just going to check this. Yes, it has cooked. Now I just want to give it a nice color. That's it. My fish is ready. I don't want to do anything more to it. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on my plate. Just add this little olive oil to it. That's it. Not too much. Squeeze some lime. And now, one last time to heat this sauce, put it, adding a little more stock, a little more sugar so it caramelizes nicely, and a little more lime juice so it has a nice flavor to it with the sugar. And you can see this is done, and I'm going to pour my sauce on top with the mushrooms. Tabasco just goes on top, little bit for that green chili spice. So sweet, sour and spicy sauce, grilled fish, keeping it really chill. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try this at home. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you guys take care. See you. What's up, guys? How you all doing? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making you something from leftovers that I had. First things first, pan and some butter inside it. Once the butter has melted, add in the chopped garlic. This is a very simple recipe and a very classic combination. There's butter, there's sage, there's chicken, there's Parmesan, and there's some cream. So now that your garlic has toasted nicely, I'm going to add in the chicken and put in some more butter. Add a little bit of white wine. Once that has gone in, I'm going to throw in some cream. Now once the cream is in, I'm going to throw in some sage. Salt. Some cracked black pepper. And some Parmesan cheese. And we are ready to serve this. I'm just going to quickly toast some bread in the same pan. You can never have enough of Parmesan. And there you have it. See what I've done with leftovers. That's what you can do if you have leftovers. Just combine a couple of ingredients. You can make something nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode. Take care y'all. See you later. Bye.